to work in the codex, you need to create a project. So you can create the multiple project and you can reuse that project. So I will demonstrate in this video lecture how you can create the project. So first you can open the codex. So last video already had given you the complete detail how you can install and connect the codex with the ChatGPT. So this is the interface of the codex. So you can find the file, edit, view, window, and left side we have a new chat, search, plugin, automation, and you can see last we have the project. So ChatGPT, we need to be always this interface is like the ChatGPT, but the codex is little bit different. So this will be work based on the project. So here we have one plus icon is there where you can add file and more, but below you can find the work in your project. So how you can create the project? So whatever you activity you do, all the project will save into this project. So if you are already have the existing uh, project, so you can this will be populate here, but now I am clicking the start from the scratch because this is my first install after the installation. So you can see here we have drop down is coming. So you can just click add new project. So once you click add new project, it will be pop up the location folder where you want to give the folder. So that folder will basically save all the file, whatever you want to update or want to code. So I'm selecting the demo. So if you select the folder, one project called project 3 work in the demo. So this will be all the file whatever we do the activity, it will be saved the demo as well. So coming session will I will also explain like multiple file is placed under this folder how we can work. So based on the project also they can work. So you can create the multiple project as well. So you can see demo one of the project is created, new project 3 is created. So whatever the chat you doing, okay, so like if you write something, anything, they will create the some type of the MD file, okay. So like if you type something, any of the code, give me sample code of the extract the data from some location, so they will also give you. So I'm giving this prompt to the codex. So they will create the all the code and they will save under the demo folder. So let me explain you basically what I am giving. So create a productive ready Python ETL script using Panda. So basically this is the some ETL script for the Python. So I'm just doing the some testing how the project will be work and perform the some data transformation like removing the duplicate and handling null value, all these things, and store data into the Panda data frame called DF transform and save the output. And basically if you have complete path of the output and the input, you can pass the complete path. And this will be saved under the ETL pipeline.py. So if you hit the next, so they will basically read this entirely code and they will start the thinking and they will you can see step by step. Okay, so you also if you already have worked something into the chat GPT, you will find some different type of the activity under this basically into the codex. So you can see they have the thinking and they create the some .md file, that is the skill file is there, and based on that they will give the output. So I will also help you to understand how you can create the different skill set into the codex. So we can wait for another some time to complete this activity. So now you can see this created the complete ETL script here. So this is the file created to include the Panda duplicate. All the detail is there. So if you go to this folder, demo folder, because this file is running under this project is running under the demo project. So one file will be automatically got created. So you can just click on this demo folder. So you can see ETL pipeline dot py file got updated, and this file will be basically available will be in the Python. So you can directly ready to use this file. Okay, so you can I will also show you to how the file look like. So you can see the file which is generated. I open into the Notepad++. So import IO, import Panda. They have the all the file is there. So if you want, if you have any basically something is there debugging the code, you can also ask to debug. If this file got something have the issue, they can basically work on the debugging area as well. So that is also I will talk when we have connect to the GitHub. So you can create the uh, multiple project based on the demo. If you are more into the some type of the reporting activity or doing the some type of the report, or if you are dedicated to some other data engineering work, you can also create the different project, and all the project are available into the left menu. So in the next session, I will discuss into the different plugins and the basically automation tool is available, and also how you can create the skills into this codex. So thank you so much for watching complete this video. We'll meet again next video. Thank you.